Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla! Blessed my people, Dancehall skilla there again, you know? Yeah, manners and respect to each and everyone. Yeah, so I'm going to present some videos to you that are being talked about on social media. And let me start off with this video that I'm looking at on the screen right here. So first up, I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happen when a person removed something from inside of the front part of a motor vehicle. The motor vehicle was not moving, no viewers and subscribers. And this person somehow opened a front part of a motor vehicle and removed something from the front part of the motor vehicle. This is highly suspicious behavior. Guess what I say? And it look away. I hope that this video can bring some form of awareness. I know that there are some persons out there who might have some form of understanding about a situation like this, or something that might be similar to this. You understand me? For those who might not know, pay attention to this video because it look away. You understand? Oh, and if you can tell me what I think the person removed from the motor vehicle, leave a comment in the comment section of the video as well to people. It really actually look away. So let's take a look at the video. Alright, and some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me. So there's the person, my people. Look at the person do this. Right? The person, just pay attention still. That's it. See that? You see what going on, some people? So, you have any idea what that the person removed? Because I think I know. Huh? And look how the person just did it, so just try more. You know? Set away, star, set away. Machete. What the hell? Wow, what? Oh, what that? What that the person now hold on, man? What that? Alright, so the person walk with it. So that look away. But people, let me make it very clear. See, I do not know where the video be recorded. I do not know who's the owner of that motor vehicle. Certain things I don't know about that situation. But if someone look at a situation like that and find the things that the person had done in that video to be highly suspicious, I can understand. Because it look away right there. So the motor vehicle was not moving. Someone walked towards the motor vehicle, did certain things, removed something from inside of a front part of the motor vehicle and then gone and it look away, people. So to each and every motorist, please just be careful. You understand me? Yeah, even though I don't know certain information about the situation, just be careful because you may never know. Yeah. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all. Now here I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened when police officers from within the country of Jamaica was at a location within the country of Jamaica. The people, a part of this video shows some things that happened when a police officer or a law enforcer put a hand on someone and said to the person, "You're under arrest." My people, some words started to say and certain things start to happen and it just really actually look away. I mean, in my point of view, the way how the law enforcer walk over to the person there and just say certain words and support me people. Me I tell the truth. It was unexpected to me when we look at the video. But you look at the video and tell me what you think about a situation like this. See? Yeah, I didn't get any confirmed information as to why the law enforcers went at that location where the video had been recorded. And I do got the understanding that there are more than one piece of videos posted on social media about the same situation. But tell me what you think. You know, tell me if you see any wrong or any right in this type of situation. And viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me.
Sir, Yandaris. Forward. No, don't do. Don't forward. Forward. Let's go forward. Let's go forward. Forward. Leave me, brother.
Now, my people, that one that totally catch me off guard. And I think this is one situation where I'm not sure I can say certain type of advice. Because I'm not sure what the situation directly was about. And based on the situation, they look, I tell you true, my people. Trust me, that's a way right there. So. It catch me off guard. The way the law enforcement just, you know, it just catch me off guard. But what do you think though? Leave a comment or comments, let me know what you think. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. And remember to click all. Now here's a video that shows a situation that do not look good. The next video that I'm going to present to you is going to show some things that happened when someone approached a person and hit the person more than one time. And then the person who the person hit more than one time moved away from the attacker and hit a motor vehicle. Then my people, one person started to chase the other person. For some reason, some people find this video to be funny on social media. I'm going to be real with you. I don't like situations where a person act like they're mighty than the other person, you know, and then certain things happen. I don't believe in violence. I do not believe in no type of violence. Talk over your differences. Learn to talk over your differences. Some people, I want to take a look at this video and tell me what I think about a situation like this. You see, I mean, what would you do if you find yourself in a situation like this? I do not know where the video will be recorded and the viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me. I respect each and every one of yours and subscribers, but you see, anyone who act violent or anyone who act as if them too mighty, at times, I try to stay as far away from those type of persons. As I say, yeah, anyone ever tell us say trouble not set like rain? You ever hear anyone say anything like that? Have anyone ever said anything like that to you? Not some people tell me what you think about that type of situation. See, if for some reason I got the understanding from comments on social media that there are persons who think different about the situation, you know. Leave a comment or comments, let me know what you think. And if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all. Alright, so here I'm going to present another video to you, and this video is going to show some things that happened when one person who was holding an object that looks like a machete was swinging the object that looks like a machete at someone who was also holding an object that looks like a machete. And the other person who was holding an object that looks like a machete was also swinging the object at the other person who was holding an object that looks like a machete. So, in my point of view, it seems as if those persons were trying to hurt each other with those objects that looks like machetes. Quite disturbing type of situation. You see what I say? It's a certain amount of seconds of a video. And one of the reasons why I'm talking about this situation is because the video shows when one person intervened or stepped in between those persons to try and de-escalate the situation. And I find that to be dangerous. See, there were other persons who somewhat did what they could to de-escalate the situation, you know, and I respect them for trying to make peace, as well some people might say. But the way how I see one person somewhat step in between those persons or intervened in that type of situation in order to stop that whole situation, and then others somewhat did what they could to de-escalate the situation. Yeah, it had me thinking. The first person, the one who stepped out first, the one who stepped between or intervened first, that person there, I think that person there somewhat, was at a point of more danger than the others who tried to de-escalate the situation. You look away, because I'm not telling you the truth. I'm not trying to be disrespectful, but if me see two persons with objects and try to hurt each other, me I think about my safety first. But anyways, you take a look at this video and tell me what you think about this type of situation. Tell me if you believe there is a safer way where that situation could have been de-escalated. I think there's a safer way. I mean, they could have talked over their differences. So some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me. Is that? See what you? Yeah? It's not really a long video, but look at the situation. Look all hey, me I take me say me people. Some things are going all over this world, you know. Huh? Alright, anyways, my people, I think this is where I'm going to leave it now. Let me know what you think about all those videos that I presented to you in this video. And if you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up. Hey, man, you know where you watch.